All right, first grade. So for today, we're going to be reviewing over 16.1 and 16.2 to make sure that we understand it and that we have understood how needs and wants as well as income works. Okay, so let's review over some slides before I show you some examples. So during our live session last week, we talked about needs. So needs is something we need to have to survive. So just like the pictures, you can see that we need food and that we need a home. These are things that we need in order to survive. Then we have something called want, something you want but you don't need to live. And we talked about the example that children want toys to play with. So it's something that we always want. There are things that we want, but we don't need it to survive. Now, we also discussed income. So, income is money that you make from working. And during our live session, we brainstormed some ideas. We talked about things like a lemonade stand. Maybe you get money for chores. Maybe working a job like being a doctor or a teacher or other jobs like a vet. And the last one is like pet sitting. So, these are things that you can earn money from. You worked hard for it, or someone gave you money for the work that you did. We also talked about what is not income, so things such as gifts. So if someone gives you money, a gift card, a present, and it was given to you as a gift, then that is not part of your income because you didn't earn it through working or giving a service. So let's go over some examples of some questions that you might be seeing on your assignment today. Look at this one right here. It says, use the table to solve each problem. Miss Aman needs to buy lunch. Which two items will she buy? Well, let's take a look at the table here. If I'm going to buy lunch and I have markers, soup, crayons, and water, I know that I'm going to pick two items that I'm actually going to eat. So for my answer today, we can all say that I'm going to get soup, which is $5, and water, because those are two things that I can eat for lunch and drink for lunch. All right, now I'm going to go to the next one right here. It says, Miss Sedja has $5. She wants to buy art supplies. Which two items will she buy? Well, let's take a look at this. First of all, we want to start off with which two items can she buy? So I'll change this to which two items can she buy? So she can buy two things for her art supplies. She can buy markers, that's part of art, and crayons. Now I know that markers is $4 and I know that crayons is $2. That means that it would equal $6. Well, Miss Sedra has $5. Does she have enough money? Write a number sentence to show. Well, in order for me to check, what I would do is I would make a subtraction sentence. I would say that she needs $6. She can use $5. She would need one more dollar in order to buy her two items. So let's take a look at this again. So the markers and crayons cost $6. She has $5. How much more money will she need? She will need one extra dollar in order to buy the markers and crayons. Now, let's go to the last one right here. You're going to see something that looks like these. These are word problems. Miss Seja won a $12 gift card. She earned $6 for watching Miss Ama's cat. She earned $5 for cleaning a fish tank. How much income did she make? So remember, when we talk about income, gift cards do not count as income. Even though she received it, it was not because she earned it. So the two things that she did that gave her income were, you can see right here, it is the $6 for watching my cat, plus we also know that she earned $5 for cleaning the tank. Well, I know that 6 plus 5 is, take a second to think about it. Good, $11. So Miss Cedra made $11 of income. Now, today for your assignment, you will see an assignment tab that says 16.1, 16.2 review. The first thing that you're going to do is it says Carrie earned money doing chores. She spent $4 on items she needed and $10 on items she wanted. Now take a look at this. It says needed and wanted. So drag the items to need and want. Remember, need, we need it to survive. You're going to go to the next one right here. It says Adia won a $10 gift card. She earned $5 in April for feeding a fish. She also earned $6 in May for helping with a cat. How much income did she earn? Now remember, if we're going to answer this question, we need to add two numbers together, and gift cards don't count as income. Your problems look very similar to this. You have a table to answer some questions as well. You will see the last two problems say drag the pictures to the correct category. There's wants and needs. So you're going to drag these pictures to either needs or wants. Now, the last one right here says Zainab earned $9 of income. She used money to buy one item. So here are the items. Tell me which item she would buy for school and how much money would she have left over if she bought that item. If you have any questions, I'm always here to help on the assignments. You can set up a live session with me. I'd be happy to go over the problems with you. Otherwise, you can complete 16.1, 16.2 review to show your understanding of needs, wants, and income.